out with the truck just to spend the night, enjoy the scenery, and do a little exploring. I don't know exactly what we're going to find, but we are going to be using the truck as our camper. I'll show you a little bit more detail of what we've done to the back of it, under the topper. It's nice to explore with it and use it as a base for some day hikes. So with that, let's just go on down the road. Well, this looks like the spot we're going to be in. We do have some critters as neighbors, and that's okay. They seem to be minding their own business, and we will too. I'm going to take a few minutes and set up the camp. Let's get the truck set up, and then I'll show you some close-ups of the stuff we've done inside, and then maybe we'll take a little bit of a hike. Well, good night for now. See you in the morning. Well, good morning, Jorah. Thought we'd show the folks everything in the morning. How are you feeling? Pretty good? A little chilly out, huh? Well, we had a nice campfire last night. I thought I had a nice video of it, and I had some words of wisdom. However, I didn't have the camera turned on right. Anyway, here we are inside. It's an absolute mess right now, but we are here. The bed itself, simply a little frame I made out of 2x3s and some plywood top. It's not hooked into the truck at all. It'll just pop right out, as well as that little red table, sort of a side table, and then underneath there is a crate that Jorah just loves to sleep in. One thing I was rather proud of is right here, all the edges. This is an old topper. They weren't looking that good, so I took some pipe insulation and just put it along all the edges. It worked out pretty darn nice. As far as storage, of course, underneath the bed, we have a lot of storage. And what I do is I keep a tub. The green one is the kitchen tub. And then the blue one down there on the ground is what I use just for all the miscellaneous pots and pans, etc. And then just a cooler, depending on how long I'm going to be out. So it's a very simple setup. It's just something to use maybe for 1-2 nights. Or I guess if I was traveling, but I prefer, if I'm out actually much longer than this, I'd rather set up the teepee tent and have more stand-up room. Most of this equipment I use with that as well, and I can still use the truck for cooking, etc. That's a brief look at it. Sure was a nice night last night. Nice sundown. At least I did get some stills of that. Well, we'll be packing up here in a bit. maybe hiking a little bit, and then taking some drives out. Little overnighter. I know I did. I think Jorah maybe did. But remember, keep hiking.